In this video, we're gonna talk about how to fix Messenger please check your internet connection. Now this error occurs when you open up your Messenger and it gives you a message similar to this. Now in this case, there are a couple of things that you can do. The first thing is make sure that your internet connection is stable, whether you're using Wi-Fi or your cellular data. Now the way that you do it is you try to open up other applications and try to check if they work. If they don't work, that is the exact problem that you're facing. Now if they are working, what you can do is you can just open up the settings of your phone and search for manage apps. Open up the manage apps, or yours could be something else. We just want to open up the list of apps that are installed on the phone and then just search for Messenger. Once you're here, you just tap on clear data and tap on clear all data. Once you clear the data, you will be logged out of your Messenger and you'll again need to log in. The second thing you can also do is tap on full stop. Now this process helps in clearing the glitch that may be causing that issue. Now the last thing that you can try out is you can try updating the app of Messenger. Open up your Play Store or the App Store and then search for Messenger. If there are any new updates, you just tap on update and update your app. Updating apps helps to fix any bugs which are causing that issue. Once you do these couple of steps, you should be able to work your Messenger without having that error messages which was showing previously. So that's it for this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and I'll be seeing you guys in the next video.